Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean numbers. Remove stray text and blanks so calculations stay accurate. Click the first numeric cell, then drag or shift plus click to highlight the full column or row you want. Once done, check the range shown in the name box so you know which cells will be included. If a header exists, make sure not to include it, otherwise your mean will break. Now that the correct range is selected, get ready to enter the formula. This is the key action step to compute the mean. You now type the formula directly into the active cell. Start with equals average. Then click the first cell of your selection, drag to the last cell, and close the parenthesis. If you prefer manual control, type equals sum range /count range so you can exclude errors or zeros deliberately. Once typed, press enter and watch Sheets compute a single mean. If you need to include non-contiguous cells, hold Control while selecting. Make sure the cell format is numeric so the result displays correctly. You finish by formatting the result cell. Set number format and decimals so the mean reads cleanly. If the formula returns an error like #div/0, that means there are no numeric values. Verify your selection and remove headers or text. Once done, use average to exclude zeros or apply conditions such as 0 when appropriate. Finally, copy the formula down or across to reuse it. Make sure to lock ranges with $ if you need a fixed reference, and double-check totals for outliers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.